Hey Instagram, Rick here from Futures Trading Coach. Here's the trades for Thursday, December 7th. We had an S&P long 2250 right here. Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket Update for the live trading alert call room. Today is Monday, January 29th, and I'm going to let you know what we did today. Today we had several trades in the market. Some followed through for some did not follow through for very much. We had some break evens. I'm going to run through everything here from left to right. In the crude oil, the first trade we had from left to right was in crude oil. That was short. That was a power play. 10:09 Central Standard Time. The price was 65.25. Trade made up to about 10 to 12 ticks here, and would have either been 10 to 12 ticks or a break even if anybody tried to hold as it popped back up again. And then when it came back down again, we did not hit it again. I think we were in another trade at that point. But that was our first crude trade. In the ES, we also took a power play short. That was a nice trade. That short here, about 63 quarter, 63. And that trade made up to 5 or 6 points for those who could hold, up to 2 points probably for most people. And that was a decent trade in the ES. Then in the NQ, we took a power play short, and we were in that one a couple times there, which is why we didn't hit the ES again. It was either hit the ES again short for a new entry for those who couldn't stay in, or we hit the NQ. And the NQ was a short here at first at 7,000 at 836 candle. And that made up to 7 points or 28 ticks, 28 ticks. Then we hit it again at 940. 940, and again, that was the same point where the ES triggered again. And that was at the same price, and that one went down over 60 ticks. My circle here was around 85. 15 points, about 60 ticks. It did go a little bit further, but we'll just call it up to 60, 50, 60 ticks on that trade there. And then on the gold, it was really like at the end of the day, I told everybody that the gold should be going up. Per our rules, we don't stay in the trades during after the room closes. So unfortunately, we had to get out of that trade before it kept going. However, we did get long in the trade. I call the power play, and then we had to get out of it because of the room closing. That was right at 10:54. 10:54. I stayed a little bit, so those that popped up here and got a little bit of money may have been able to stay in it, but again, I was not here to manage it, so we'll call that just got in and just got out, made a few ticks or a break even or whatever. You will see that if you stayed in the trade, it never came back at you very hard, more than 3 or 4 or 5 ticks, and it was actually about 8 ticks, but and it went all the way up to about 43 or so from the 38 entry that we got into. Took all lunch, but so unfortunately that one was we were not able to stay in that one. So that was our day today. We're going to come back tomorrow and do it all over again. Until then, traders, have a great day.